Hello everyone, I'm here. Today, we're taking a closer look at the new Vivo V50. This phone really caught my eye because of its super slim design and impressive specs like the flagship-grade camera system, 120Hz AMOLED display, and 80W fast charging. And guys, this is not a sponsored video. These are my honest thoughts on this phone. So let's dive in. Starting off with the unboxing experience. Vivo continues to impress me with their modern and minimalist approach to packaging. The V50 comes in a sleek box that looks premium and opens like a book, revealing the phone placed on top. Removing the phone, we get to see the rest of the goodies. Inside the pack, you'll find a USB-C cable, a fast charging adapter with 80 watts of power, a protective case, SIM ejector pin, and quick start guide. Everything feels neatly organized and well thought out, which is always a good sign. As someone who has reviewed quite a few phones, I really appreciate when companies put effort into the unboxing experience. It just shows attention to detail. And now, onto the star of the show, the Vivo V50 itself. The first thing I notice is how slim it is. I mean, check out these measurements. It's only 7.29 millimeters thick, which is crazy thin for a phone with these specs. Holding the V50 in my hand, I was immediately impressed by its solid build quality and elegant design. Unlike many phones that feel bulky or cheap, the Vivo V50 stands out. The curved edges feel comfortable and natural, while the glossy glass back adds a touch of luxury. But don't worry, even with its sleek look, the V50 doesn't compromise on durability. It's tough enough to handle the daily wear and tear. Overall, the phone's design is not only pleasing to the eye, but also practical and long-lasting. Let's talk about the display. Up front, the Vivo V50 features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a vibrant and sharp FHD resolution. The colors look fantastic, blacks are deep, and there's plenty of brightness for both indoor and outdoor use. What really sets this display apart is its 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through menus and apps feels incredibly smooth and responsive. It's one of those screens that make everyday tasks, like checking notifications or browsing social media, more enjoyable. Watching videos and playing games also takes full advantage of the display's refresh rate, providing an incredibly immersive experience. It's nice to see Vivo offering such a high-quality display on a phone at this price point. Now let's discuss the performance. Under the hood, the Vivo V50 packs some serious power with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset and up to 12 GB of RAM. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or tackling heavy performance tasks, the V50 handles everything with ease and speed. Launching apps is almost instant, and switching between them is seamless. Even under heavy usage, the phone remains cool and composed, showing no signs of slowdown. One feature I really appreciate is extended RAM, which can boost the phone's memory by up to 8 GB using a portion of the internal storage. This is especially helpful for those who like to keep many apps open at once, or for those who want to record gameplay. Gaming on the Vivo V50 is a pleasure. Titles like Genshin Impact run smoothly at high graphics settings, delivering stunning visuals and a great frame rate. The phone's cooling system does a fantastic job keeping the temperature in check during long gaming sessions. The side-mounted fingerprint reader works flawlessly, unlocking the phone quickly and securely. But if you prefer, you can also use Face Unlock, which is equally convenient and reliable. Alright, let's talk cameras. The Vivo V50 comes with a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 64-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and an 8-megapixel telephoto sensor. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Now I've taken a bunch of photos with this phone, and the results are impressive. The camera system captures crisp and detailed shots with vibrant colors. The main sensor does an excellent job in daylight, producing images with plenty of detail and a good dynamic range. The ultra-wide sensor is great for capturing group shots and landscapes, while the telephoto sensor provides nice optical zoom capabilities. Low-light photography is no problem for the Vivo V50 either. Thanks to its optical image stabilization and night mode, you can capture sharp and bright photos even in challenging lighting conditions. The phone's AI capabilities also come in handy when it comes to photography. Features like AI Beauty and Portrait Mode add a touch of enhancement to your selfies and portraits, creating stunning results. Video-wise, the Vivo V50 supports 4K recording, and the footage looks great, with good stabilization and color reproduction. The front-facing camera also performs well, capturing sharp and detailed selfies. When it comes to audio, the Vivo V50 doesn't disappoint. With its high-res certified audio and dual stereo speakers, the phone delivers clear and immersive sound. Whether you're watching videos, listening to music, or playing games, the audio experience is top-notch. The phone also supports advanced Bluetooth codecs, ensuring a high-quality wireless audio experience. Powering the Vivo V50 is a 5000 mAh battery, which easily gets me through a whole day of heavy usage. The phone's 82-watt fast charging capabilities mean that you won't have to wait long to get a full charge. In fact, you can go from 0 to 100 in just around 40 minutes. That's pretty quick. The phone also learns your charging habits and provides intelligent charging modes to optimize the battery's lifespan. Finally, let's talk about software. The Vivo V50 runs on the latest Funtac OS, based on Android 14. The interface is clean, smooth, and highly customizable. Some standout features include extended RAM for a performance boost, game mode for optimized gaming, and intelligent sidebar for added productivity. The software on the V50 enhances the overall user experience, making the phone feel fresh and exciting. In terms of connectivity, the Vivo V50 has you covered with 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC and dual SIM support. The phone also prioritizes security with an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock for fast and secure access. Now let's talk about why I think the Vivo V50 stands out from other mid-range phones. First off, its design is truly unique and iconic. The phone's slim profile and curved edges give it a premium look and feel. Plus, the glossy glass back adds a touch of luxury. The Vivo V50 isn't just about good looks. It's built to last. Despite its slimness, the phone is surprisingly durable and can withstand the daily wear and tear of heavy usage. Another reason the Vivo V50 stands out is its camera system. The phone takes amazing photos and videos that rival those from flagship phones. The 64-megapixel main sensor captures stunningly detailed images, with vibrant colors, and the AI capabilities add a nice touch to enhance your photos. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just someone who loves to capture great memories, the Vivo V50's camera system will not disappoint. The Vivo V50 isn't just powerful, it's also incredibly efficient. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset and up to 12 GB of RAM ensure smooth and snappy performance, whether you multitasking, gaming, or doing anything in between. The phone stays cool and composed even under heavy usage, making it perfect for power users. Last but certainly not least, the Vivo V50 offers fast charging. The 80-watt fast charging capability means you won't have to wait long to get a full charge. It's a game changer for those who need a phone that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. Overall, the Vivo V50 is a true gem in the world of mid-range phones. It combines a unique and eye-catching design with a powerful performance, amazing camera system, and fast charging. If you're looking for a phone that can do it all without breaking the bank, the Vivo V50 might just be the perfect choice for you. So what do you guys think of the Vivo V50? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching.